Okay, so like I said, you want your steering wheel straight. You want your other wheel straight as possible. Okay, so when it turns in or out, it comes in or out. So you get it as rough as possible. You're gonna go ahead and push it down about all the way. You're gonna take your castle nut, literally looks like a castle. This is the old one. You're gonna get it up on there. You've got a fancy new cotter pin. So just double check everything. You got the inner tightened down, boot on, lock nut, this on, zert fitting. That zert fitting will just extend the life of your ball joint there, which is exactly what we need. So then this is going to be these 18? No, this is 19. Like what I thought. Actually, it's going to be 17 is a better fit. You want the best fit that you can get possible, so. And again, I don't really know the torques on this, but with your cotter pin in there, it ain't gonna come out. So you just need to get it to where it's tight, obviously, and you can get your cotter pin in and out. And then you're gonna take that cotter pin and you're gonna bend those out, and that cotter pin doesn't come out. So and that's pretty much it. I would assume that you can cut this just a little bit. What we'll do is we'll just tilt it up a little bit more.